Have you ever pondered about the invisible world that bustles around us, unseen to the naked eye? A world teeming with life forms so tiny yet so powerful, they can shape the course of entire ecosystems, dictate the health of our planet, and even influence our own well-being. Welcome to the unseen world of microorganisms, a hidden universe that exists right beneath our noses, so small yet so vast, it surpasses the comprehensible limits of our human imagination. Picture this: a single drop of water, seemingly empty and plain to our eyes, houses a bustling metropolis of microorganisms, each with their own unique roles and interactions, creating a complex web of life that we rarely acknowledge. These microscopic life forms are everywhere. They're in the air we breathe, the food we eat, the surfaces we touch. They're on our skin, in our guts, and even deep within the Earth's crust. Each microorganism is a tiny powerhouse, carrying out vital processes that help sustain life on our planet. Consider the soil beneath your feet. It's not just dirt, it's a complex, dynamic ecosystem, teeming with microorganisms that break down organic matter, cycle nutrients, and support the growth of plants. Now think about the ocean. It's not just water, it's a vast, diverse reservoir of microscopic life, with countless microorganisms playing critical roles in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. But the true wonder of these microorganisms lies not just in their ubiquity, but in their incredible adaptability and resilience. They thrive in every corner of our planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the hottest deserts to the coldest ice caps. They can survive in conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms, showcasing an astonishing ability to adapt and evolve. As we journey into this unseen world, we'll explore the cutting-edge technologies and methods used by scientists to study these microscopic wonders. We'll delve into the fascinating world of microbiology, shedding light on the intricate interactions and remarkable behaviors of these hidden life forms. As we delve deeper, we shall uncover the astounding complexity and beauty of this hidden world. So, brace yourselves, for we are about to embark on a journey into the incredible, the invisible, the microscopic world around us. Beneath our feet lies a bustling metropolis teeming with more life than all of humanity combined. Enter the soil microbiome, a hidden jungle in its own right, a world teeming with microorganisms that carry out vital functions in our ecosystems. The soil microbiome is a complex community of microscopic life, each with their unique roles and functions. It's a bustling city of bacteria, fungi, archaea, and viruses, each playing their part in the intricate dance of life. Bacteria, the unseen workers of the soil, tirelessly break down organic matter, releasing essential nutrients back into the soil. They are the unsung heroes of nutrient cycling, ensuring the soil remains fertile and vibrant. Fungi, with their sprawling networks of mycelium, are the great communicators of the soil world. They form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, exchanging nutrients for sugars. This mutualistic relationship not only aids plant growth but also helps to bind the soil together, preventing erosion and maintaining soil structure. As for the archaea, these ancient organisms are adept at surviving in extreme environments. They help to process nitrogen, a crucial element for plant growth, and play a significant role in the global carbon cycle. And let's not forget the viruses, often overlooked but nonetheless vital. They control bacterial populations, ensuring balance within the soil microbiome. These microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our world, quietly going about their work beneath our feet. They decompose dead plants and animals, turning death into life by recycling nutrients back into the soil. They are the lifeblood of the soil, a hidden jungle teeming with life. This complex and intricate world beneath our feet is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of microorganisms. Every handful of soil contains more living organisms than there are people on Earth. It's a bustling metropolis of microscopic life, a hidden jungle beneath our feet. Indeed, the soil beneath us is far from inert. It is a vibrant, living entity. Dive beneath the surface and you'll find a realm teeming with creatures far smaller than the eye can see. A universe of aquatic microorganisms unfolds beneath the waves, a hidden ocean within an ocean, pulsing with life. This microscopic realm is as diverse as it is vast. From the vibrant cyanobacteria, nature's tiny oxygen factories, to the intricate diatoms with their glass-like outer shells, every droplet of water teems with an array of these unseen marvels. Each microbe, each tiny organism plays its part in a complex web of life that spans the globe. In this aquatic ballet, the microorganisms are the stars. They are the unsung heroes of nutrient cycling, tirelessly turning elements like nitrogen and phosphorus into forms that other life forms can use. They are the powerhouses of oxygen production, with cyanobacteria and phytoplankton collectively contributing more than half of the planet's oxygen. But their role doesn't end there. These tiny organisms form the base of aquatic food webs. They are the primary producers, turning sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, energy that fuels life throughout the ocean. Without these microscopic life forms, the larger creatures we are more familiar with, the fish, the whales, the seals, would have nothing to feed on. And it's not just about what's happening in the water. Aquatic microorganisms also influence the climate. Phytoplankton, for instance, play a critical role in carbon sequestration, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in the deep ocean. But these hidden ecosystems are delicate, easily upset by changes in temperature, acidity, and other environmental factors. As we continue to alter our planet's climate, we risk disrupting these vital processes, with potential consequences we're only beginning to understand. The world's water bodies, therefore, are not just bodies of water but a dynamic microcosm of life, a hidden ocean full of unseen life silently shaping our world from beneath the waves, a world we are only just beginning to explore, to understand, and hopefully to protect. Despite their size, these microorganisms are not insignificant. They are the unseen heroes of our planet, playing vital roles that underpin life as we know it. Let's take a closer look at their significance. In the realm of medicine, microorganisms are both our foes and our allies. Some cause diseases, but others help us fight back. Antibiotics, a cornerstone of modern medicine, are produced by fungi and bacteria. They've saved countless lives, turning once deadly infections into treatable conditions. And let's not forget about the gut microbiome, the bustling community of microbes in our bodies that influences our health in ways we're just beginning to understand. Venturing into agriculture, these minute beings are again indispensable. In the soil, they break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients and enriching the earth for new growth. They help plants absorb nutrients, fight off pests, and even survive droughts. Some bacteria can even turn nitrogen in the air into a form that plants can use, a natural and sustainable fertilizer. When it comes to food production, microorganisms are our secret ingredient. They ferment our bread, brew our beer, and curdle our cheese. The flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles of these foods owe much to the labor of these tiny life forms. Beyond these everyday roles, microorganisms hold great promise in tackling global challenges. Certain bacteria can break down plastic waste, offering a potential solution to pollution. Some algae absorb carbon dioxide at a rate much higher than trees, hinting at a new strategy to combat climate change. And let's not overlook their potential in developing sustainable food sources, from lab-grown meat to protein-rich insects. In their smallness, they hold solutions to some of the world's biggest problems. For in the grand tapestry of life, the smallest threads often hold the most significant roles. So let's celebrate these microscopic marvels, the unseen architects of our world. The more we understand them, the better we can harness their potential to build a healthier, more sustainable future. The journey into the microscopic world is a journey of discovery and wonder. It's an expedition that takes us deeper than the naked eye can see, into a realm bustling with life forms that are as diverse as they are tiny. Our exploration of this hidden world is powered by the marvels of modern technology. Microscopy, for instance, has come a long way from the rudimentary lenses of old. Today, we have electron microscopes that can magnify objects up to 1 million times their actual size, revealing minute details that were once impossible to observe. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. In addition to microscopy, we also employ DNA sequencing, a technique that allows us to read the genetic code of these microscopic organisms. This gives us a greater understanding of their capabilities, behaviors, and evolutionary history. We then use bioinformatics, a field that combines biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret the complex biological data we gather. It's like deciphering a secret code, and the revelations can be groundbreaking. In recent years, these technologies have led to some astounding discoveries. We've unveiled new species of microorganisms, uncovered their roles in maintaining our planet's ecosystems, and even learned how to harness their power for our benefit in fields like medicine and agriculture. Imagine harnessing bacteria to fight diseases, or using fungi to improve crop yields. The possibilities are endless, and they're all waiting to be discovered in this microscopic world. But remember, this world isn't just fascinating, it's vital. The microorganisms that live in our soils, waters, and even on our skin play an integral role in our survival. They help recycle nutrients, filter water, and even protect us from harmful pathogens. So next time you step outside, remember, you're not alone. You're part of a world teeming with microscopic life, a world that's as fascinating as it is crucial to our